Hello viewers, how are you viewers? I hope you are fine viewers. Today I will discuss with you hydroelectric. What is hydroelectric? Let me see. Hydroelectricity. Let me see hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity or hydroelectric power is electricity generated from hydropower. Hydropower supplies 1/6 of the world's electric, almost 40 to 2020, which is more than all other renewable sources combined and also more than nuclear power. Hydroelectric energy, also called hydroelectric power and hydroelectricity, is a form of energy that harnesses the power of water in motion, such as water flowing over a waterfall to generate electricity. Hydroelectricity is a renewable energy source. Hydroelectricity uses the energy of running water without reducing its quantity to produce electricity. Therefore, all hydroelectric developments of small or large size, whether run of the river or of accumulated storage, fit the concept of renewable energy. The basic principle of hydropower is using water to drive turbines. Hydropower plants consist of two basic configurations, with dams and reservoir, or without. Hydropower dams with a large reservoir can store water over short or long periods to meet peak demand. Hydroelectric Hydroelectric generating situation produce AC electricity that has about 25 kV of force. Hydroelectricity or hydroelectric power is electricity generated from hydropower, water power. The most common type of hydroelectric power plant in an important impoundment faculty, typically a large hydro A large hydropower system uses a dam to river water in a reservoir. Water released from the reservoir flow through a turbine, spinning it, which in turn activities are generated to produce electricity. At the plant level, water flows through a pipe, also known as penstock, and then spins the blenders in a turbine, which in turn spins a generator that ultimately produces electricity. Most conventional hydroelectricity faculty operates this way, including run of the river system and pumped storage system. Because the source of hydroelectricity power is water, hydroelectric power plants are usually located on or near a water source. The volume of a water flow and the change in elevation or fall, and often referred to as head for one point to another, determine the amount of available energy in moving water. Lower than normal water levels can heavily impact energy production, and it is a disadvantages of hydroelectricity energy. Aside from being affected by drought, hydro energy production can cause drought condition downstream if they do not allow sufficient water to pass through. Read this article to learn about the following six components of hydro plants: power plants, forebay and intake structure, head race or intake conducts, surge tank, turbines and generators, powerhouse and trail race, and draft tube. Hydropower and hydroelectric power is one of the oldest and largest source of renewable energy which use the natural flow of moving water to generate electricity. I hope guys you like this video. Please thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.